Hi guys, so this is going to be a two-part video because this wasn't supposed to be here till Thursday. It's Tuesday, so it's here a little early. If you haven't guessed already, this is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing plus tryout. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. Please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and let's see what's in here. Sissy, you can sit over there. Sorry, my daughter's in here. There we go. Sit down. And this is Peace, Love, and Boxy. I have the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, which I've seen other people get, and this is in Summer Haze. Now, I really don't mind seeing what I'm about to get. That doesn't bother me one bit. I don't think of this as a mystery box. I think of it more as an opportunity to get a lot of name brand products for really cheap. We got the liquid liner, and it is a felt tip, and it went on smoothly. It's not bleeding into any of my lines, my fine lines on my hand, so that's nice. We got the Steve Laurent. It looks very shimmery. The package. The name of it is Champagne. Ooh, yeah, it feels like a gloss. I don't know if you can see that. I've gotten Luxie brushes in Ipsy bags before, and I actually really like them. My favorite, this guy, it's the Luxie 225 that everybody got in Ipsy at one point or another. The only thing I don't like is that the head is actually coming loose. I wish it wasn't, because I actually use that all the time, but it is nice. I actually love getting brushes because that's something that I don't want to spend the money on, but I love like having, because you can never have too many. So this is the 512, the 209, and the 245. Small shader, large shader, and small contour. I don't know if I'd use that as a contour. I might. I'll try it. This is definitely fat like a shader brush, which is nice. This one doesn't really look like a shader brush. It looks more like a packing brush. And this is the guy I was super excited about. He looks just wonderful. I don't have any palettes with a pressed glitter, so having that will be amazing. Get a grip. Endurance eyeshadow primer. Oh, I got a sample of eyeshadow primer in it. I've not seen people say that yet. I guess because like they don't really care, but I think that's pretty neat. So there it is. You get a nice big mirror. I'm not trying to blind y'all. And they have taped that down, which is actually kind of nice because a lot of them just kind of fall out when you open it and you're like, oh. I mean, I know that palettes have them in there, I just forget about them, so it's actually pretty nice to have that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. Ooh, they feel very, very soft. Oh goodness, oh goodness. So I'm gonna start off there. There. And obviously I'm not any kind of professional at swatching or anything. Like, this is probably one of the first times you've seen me swatch. Oh, okay, so I gotta remember I'm on camera. That is probably my favorite shade. Those are gorgeous. I will be using, and it smells good too. It's not like a treat kind of smell, it just smells fresh. Those are the swatches of the shadows. I don't know how anyone else got this out without making a huge mess. Well, now that I'm completely covered in this highlighter, it is actually a really pretty color. It's like a golden champagne. Oh, I've just wasted so much of this. I probably will still never go through this in my life. Wow, it is everywhere. Alright, I'm going to take some and just pop it right there. So that's the swatch. Just stay right there because we'll be doing a makeup look with this beautiful palette and the other stuff that we got in our BoxyCharm in just a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and my under eyes, I think we're gonna bake right now. We are gonna use the palette, and I already have my face makeup on, so I don't want any fallout. If you like to do your face makeup first, this trick should help. Okay, we're gonna go into this guy. I'm super excited about it. My daughter got into my room last night and started messing with some of my stuff. So the brushes, some of them have been used, but not by me. We're gonna go into this guy. I was gonna do something real fun and dramatic, but it seems like this year everybody's more subtle and like they're not all about like the unicorn vibes like they were last year, which I was kind of into. I know everybody like it's like, oh, that's childish, I don't like that, but I thought they were cute. And I'm going into Hidden Desert here. We're doing the same shape in the crease and into the outer third a little bit. I'm just trying to deepen it. I have something in my eye. I don't know if you saw that, but that was disgusting. I got that, the shade I wanted. So now we're gonna go in with All Night. It's an even darker. So we've gone in with Epic, Hidden Desert, and All Night. And it doesn't really look like there's any fallout, just, I mean, in the palette it looks like there is. But as far as, I'm going a little bit more Epic. As far as on your eyelids, I have not seen any fallout. Yeah, I'm just toning everything down and blending it all together with a little bit of Epic. Just making sure nothing gets too crazy. And I forgot to go in with this eyelid primer because this is what I was going to do. That's why I hadn't primed my eyes. It came with the palette, so I was going to use it together, but I forgot. So we're not going to. Okay. Now we're going to cut my crease, if I can find my crease cutting brush. Right here, this guy. This little toot toot. I am not affiliated with BoxyCharm in any way, but because your girl is broke, I figured it'd be a really great way for me to test out new makeup without spending a lot of money. Like, I'll be getting new products every month, and I'll be able to test them out and try them out, and I won't be breaking the bank to do it. Ooh, yes, this is the color I said was absolutely gorgeous yesterday. Well, to you guys it was a few minutes ago. That is stunning, if I do say so myself. It's like this like beautiful peach color with like golden undertones. Oh my goodness. Can we just that is such a beautiful color, and I don't think I have this color in any other palette. That is gorgeous. If you do not get BoxyCharm and like you just want something from the BoxyCharm box, this is gorgeous. I do believe it's like $36. Take this little nugget. We're gonna dip right into my glitter shades that my daughter so kindly dug into last night. Y'all can't even see. Lord Jesus, it's a far. No, these aren't transfer proof. I'm sure glitter glue would help. I don't have a glitter glue, but I was swatching these yesterday, as you've seen. Like I said, I already had a makeup look on because this wasn't supposed to be here till Thursday, and it was here yesterday, and today is Wednesday. So I already had makeup on, but I had swatched it for you guys yesterday, and like they went down nice. They stayed on until they were touched. So I don't know what that means because I've never used a glitter before. They're not transfer proof. Now I'm not going to be touching my eyes all day. Well, maybe I will because my contacts are killing me. So, you know, maybe I'm going to have a lot of issues. Maybe not. If I don't touch my eyes, I don't think I'll have too bad of a problem because it's not like they were just flying willy-nilly all over the place. It was just like when I touched my eye, like I forgot and touched my eye. That's the only time I had a problem. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my eyeliner. Felt tips are actually my favorite, but it's been a while since I've used one, so there's a chance this could be very messy. This has no bend, by the way. It's very stiff. I was expecting it to like bend like a paintbrush. It is skipping a little bit, but that's because I have some wrinkly lids. Like, it's getting caught on my skin. So it does okay over the glitter. It's not the best, but it does okay. Well, I don't know if it's the best or the worst because I've never had glitter, so I wouldn't know. The Stila glitter is the closest I've ever gotten. Even then, most of the time I like to put my eyeliner down and then do the glitter. So let's see, overall not bad. My usual contour brush is this guy. I got him off a Wish a couple of years ago, and there's nothing special about him. In fact, looks like my daughter may have bitten into it. Like, so there's quite a size difference, but this says small contour. So that's what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna contour our face. Now, she dipped into one of the eyeshadows, but I don't think it should affect it much. I tried to wipe it off. I'm not sure how I like it. My old brush isn't as dense, and it's fluffier, so it kind of gives it more of like a gradient of a contour. Also, if you're wondering, yes, I'm very tan. We're gonna take this, which caused me so much grief yesterday. Last step is this gloss. I'm not sure if I should put anything underneath. I was really into like all the unicorn and fun and crazy colors everybody did last year, but I guess it was just so much that this year everybody's like, let's just tone it down and be like not as crazy. That is nice. That's comfortable. Okay, my final thoughts. The brushes are nice. They're a little dense. I have gotten other Luxie brushes from Ipsy. This highlighter is amazing. It performed great. Beautiful on the skin. Very like sun dipped on the beach kind of glow. This palette, gorgeous, performs amazing. The glitters in it are just, they're stunning. Felt tip liner, I mean, it's like any other felt tip liner. These are actually the type of liner I prefer. They're just easier for me to use, but it's been a minute since I've used a felt tip, so it's going to take me some getting used to. But I think it did pretty good. It went over the glitter all right. I mean, usually I have to put down the liner first and then the glitter. I think it did pretty good. This gloss is stunning. Like, it makes me feel like I'm one of those bougie, you know, whatever. And it's not sticky at all. It's just that like pretty light pink wash of color that, you know, makes you feel like you're, yeah, that is it. That is everything from my BoxyCharm. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and the look I created. And if you're wondering why I'm so orange, I used the Urban Decay all-nighter, and I bought this like over a year ago, and it's probably expired, but I want to use the rest of it, and there's only like that much left because I don't like to waste things. I like it matched me when I bought it, and it was shade 6 or 0.6. No, shade 6.0. It matched me then, but you know, I'm a little lighter than that now, if you can't tell. A little bit. I've had a baby since. I was pregnant since, so it's been like a year and a half since I bought this thing, maybe even longer. But you know, I have to use the product, and if I wait till summer when I actually match this, it might be like soupy and like smell, and so I'm just using it. I'm just getting it out of my collection because I didn't like it very much anyway. I'm one of those people that tans, and I'll never be one of those sunless tanner people that like to like rub the stuff on their body. I have done the spray tans, which are really nice, but they can get expensive, especially around here where like there's not a huge market for them, so like they way overcharge on them. So I just like to go to the tanning bed, put some headphones in, relax, enjoy my me time, and half the time I fall asleep, so I'll just always be one of those people. Anyway, my makeup, some of it tends to fall in my smile lines or in my forehead, and this is one of them. By the end of the day, I can look quite leathery. So anyway, over explanation done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out one of my other videos down below because I post new content every day, so there's bound to be something that you're going to enjoy. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.